Assalamualaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day fine. Today my mother is going to be preparing Dhaniya Chutney. Everybody can prepare it, but this style is a bit different. It is my mom's style. Let's see how is it made. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are 2 cup fresh coriander, 2 cup yogurt, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon jeera, 3 green peppers. Now you will add all the ingredients to the blender except the yogurt. First you will add coriander, then you will add green peppers, then you will add jeera, then you will add salt. Now you will blend it. You can add water if you need it. Now blend it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now you will add the yogurt to the mixture. After adding yogurt, you will only blend it for a couple of seconds. After that, the chutney is ready. See, it looks so good and so yummy. You can eat it with parathas. Yeah, paratha. Like I showed you in the last video, aloo paratha, you can eat it. And the one in the container, you can save it for 8 to 10 days. It can stay fresh till 8 till 10 days. And I hope every one of you will have a good day after watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.